Friends, today we will discuss the proof of angle sum property of a triangle. What is the angle sum property of a triangle? It is the sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. We all know this property. The sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Now today we will discuss the proof of this angle sum property. How do we prove the property? Now let us go to the proof of this theorem. In proving a theorem, generally we use four parts. What are the four parts in proving a theorem? The four parts are given, to prove, third one is construction, and the fourth part of the proof of a theorem is proof. We generally use these four parts in proving a theorem. So let us go to the proof of this theorem. Okay. For proving this theorem, first we have to draw a triangle. As this theorem is related to a triangle, first we have to draw a triangle. Let us draw the triangle ABC. Let us draw the triangle ABC. And let us assume the three interior angles of this triangle are as, let us assume the interior angles of this triangle as angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. These three angles are the interior angles of the triangle ABC. Now we have to prove that the sum of these three angles 1, 2, 3 is 180 degrees. So first let us write the given part. What is given in the statement of the theorem? What is given in the statement of the theorem? This triangle ABC is a triangle. Triangle ABC is a triangle in which angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are the angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are the interior angles. This is given in the statement of the theorem. Triangle ABC, it is a triangle in which angle A, angle B and angle C are the interior angles. Now what do we have to prove here? To prove, we have to write the next part of proving a theorem. To prove, what is to be proved in this theorem? The sum of all the three angles is 180 degrees. What are the three angles? Angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. So here we have to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. This is to be proved. Okay. Next, in this theorem, we have to make some construction. Which construction is to be made here? We have to construct, we have to draw a parallel line. We have to draw a parallel line to the base DC. Parallel line to the base DC through the vertex A. Parallel line to the base BC through the vertex A. So let us draw the parallel line. Let us draw the parallel line to the vertex A. And let us assume this parallel line as L. So which construction is made in this theorem? For proving this theorem, we have constructed, we have drawn a parallel line to the base BC through the vertex A. Okay. So let us write this construction in this construction part. What is drawn here? A line L is drawn. A line L is drawn. A line L is drawn parallel to BC through the vertex A, parallel to BC through the vertex. Through the vertex. Through the vertex A. So, this construction is mentioned in the construction part. We have drawn a line L parallel to BC through the vertex A. Okay. So, we have completed 3 parts in proving the theorem. We have drawn what is given in the statement. Also, we have mentioned what is to be proved. And also, we have mentioned the construction. Which construction is made for proving this theorem. So, next the main part of proving a theorem, that is the fourth part, that is proof. How do we prove? In which way we prove that the sum of these 3 angles 1, 2, 3, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. Now we will discuss how it occurs, how the sum is 180 degrees. So let us go to the proof. Okay, first next proof. Now we are going to the proof of the theorem, fourth part, main part of proving this theorem. Now we know L is parallel to BC. L is parallel to BC. The line L in construction itself, we have drawn this line L parallel to BC. And if L is parallel to BC, then what is AB? This line AB is the transversal. So L is parallel to BC and AB is the transversal. AB is the transversal. This line L is drawn parallel to BC. So L is parallel to BC and for these two parallel lines, AB is the transversal. Now, if we observe these 2 angles, let us assume these angles. I have forgotten to tell you. We have to assume these 2 angles as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. They are the interior angles of the triangle. Now we have to assume these 2 angles as angle 4 and angle 5. So we are assuming those 2 angles as 4 and 5. Now let us observe these 2 parallel lines, L parallel to BC and AB is the transversal. Okay. Now, if we observe these 2 angles, angle 4 and angle 2, if we observe these 2 angles, angle 4 and angle 2, what are they? Which type of angles they are? They are alternate interior angles. These 2 angles are said to be alternate interior angles. And in case of parallel lines, we know the alternate interior angles are equal. In case of parallel lines, the alternate interior angles formed are equal. So, let us write this. Angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Why they are equal? We have to write the reason. For every step we have to write the reason in brackets. Why 4 is equal to 2? Because they are alternate interior angles. Okay. Now let us go to this transversal. So in the same way, we have to take also the line L is parallel to BC. The line L is drawn parallel to BC. It's in a construction part itself. It is drawn parallel. Okay. So L is parallel to BC and this AC. Previously we have taken this line AB. This was the transversal and we have proved the alternate interior angles are equal. Now we are taking this AC as the transversal. This is also a transversal. These 2 are parallel lines and AC is a transversal. So let us write here L parallel to BC and AC is the transversal. Now let us observe these 2 angles, angle 5 and angle 3. Let us observe the 2 angles, angle 5 and angle 3. They are also alternate interior angles. They are also alternate interior angles. So we know as in the previous case, we can easily write angle 5 is equal to angle 3, because in case of parallel lines, alternate interior angles are equal. So we can write that angle 5 is equal to angle 3. Why? Why? Because they are alternate interior angles. So we have got here angle 4 is equal to angle 2 and angle 5 is equal to angle 3. Let us assume these two equations as equation 1 and equation 2. Let us assume this angle 4 is equal to angle 2 as equation 1 and angle 5 is equal to angle 3 as equation 2. Okay. We have got two equalities, 4 is equal to 2 and 5 is equal to 3. Now let us take some important point. Let us remember some important point. Now observe the three angles here. The three angles, angle 4, angle 1 and angle 5. Let us observe the three angles 4, 1 and 5. Which type of angles they are? These three angles are, they are on a straight line. There are three angles on a straight line. So what will be the sum of these three angles? The sum of these three angles will compulsory be 180 degrees, because we call them as a linear triple. If three angles are there on a straight line, they are called as linear triple. As they are linear triple angles, their sum is 180 degrees. So let us write that. Angle 4, angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees. Why it is 180 degrees? Because they are linear triple angles. Those three angles are linear triple angles. So already we have proved angle 4. Angle 4 equal to what? Angle 4 equal to which angle? Angle 2. So in place of angle 4, we can write angle 2. And also angle 5. Angle 5 equal to which angle? Angle 3. Because it is also proved. So here we write angle 1 plus, in place of 4, what we write? We can write angle 2 plus, in place of angle 5, what we write? Angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. How have we got this? From equations 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 already we have proved these equations. We have derived these equations by using this that alternate interior angles property. So we have got 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. What are these three angles 1, 2 and 3? They are the interior angles of this given triangle. So we have proved here, the theorem is proved. Okay. The sum of all the three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Hence proved. Thank you.